This is Unix and Linux lab exercise number 1, and in this exercise we are going to see the basic Unix commands. So here we are going to see all the basic commands that are used in shell scripting. Unix uses shell to accept commands given by the user. A Unix shell is a command line interpreter or shell that provides a traditional Unix-like command line user interface. Users direct the operations of the computer by entering commands as text for a command line interpreter to execute, or by creating text scripts of one or more such commands. Now let us see the basic commands. So here the first command is list of contents of users home directory including the hidden files. So to view all these list of users from the home directory, the command that we give is ls, and when we give this command ls, you can see all the directories, all the saved files and the hidden files are all shown here. The next command is the list of content of /var directory. So to view this, the command that is used is cd /var and then ls, and you can see the list of files in that directory is being displayed here. Then the next command is we have set of commands which are performed in one screen. That is, first one is create two directories named dir1 and dir2, then create a hidden directory with your name, and then change into directory dir1, then copy the file /etc/password file to current directory with sample.txt as the file name, and then change to your home directory. So to create a directory, we use the command mkdir and then space the name of the directory, and I have created two directories, and then again I have made a directory, a hidden directory by using my name. So the syntax for this, or the code for this, is mkdir space dot abil, and then to open into a directory we use the command cd dir1, and then inside that we have a text that is being saved, that is sample.txt, and then again we come out of the directory, that is the present directory, we again use cd, and then when we give cd password, then it says that the present directory is present in /data/user/data/ur14cs268. Then the next commands are to create a file data.1txt using vim edit with the following contents. Then display the student names who are having research interest as grid computing, then list all the student names and register numbers in the class. So to do all of that, we have a file called data1.txt where I have already fed all the informations, and to view all of those, this is a command that we use. And then to view the ones which have got grid computing as their research interest, we use the command grep grid computing space data1.txt. And then later on, to view only the student names, then we will have to use the command cut -f 1,2 data1.txt. And as you can see the output here, it is being displayed the way how we wanted it to be. Then we have commands like display the content of the file data1.txt without any blank spaces. That is, the contents which are not filled will not be shown in the final output. Then move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2, and then change directory into directory 2 directory, and then check whether the file sample.txt is present there. Then rename the file sample.txt to new txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. So the commands that we use there are cat space data1.txt -s. So this is used to avoid all the ones which contain blank information, and you can see the rest of them are all displayed here. And then we are gonna open the directory 1, and as you can see, ls shows what all files are there inside the directory 1, and you can see there's sample.txt. And then in directory 1, what we are doing is we are moving this sample.txt to directory 2 using this command, that is mv sample.txt space slash data slash user data slash ur14cs268 slash directory 2. So by doing this, we have moved the directory, and you can see we are coming out of the directory by using cd, and now we are going to open cd space directory 2, and when we give ls, you can see that the sample.txt file is being moved to directory 2. And now again, what we are going to do is we are going to rename this sample.txt into new.txt. So the command for that is mv space sample.txt space new.txt, and when we again give ls, you can see that the file that is there here is new.txt. And the next set of commands are display the calendar of December 2020, then remove the directory dir1, then display the last 3 lines of the file data1.txt, display all the commands you have executed so far, and save the list into a file named todayhistory.txt, and how many files are present under your home directory. So let's see how the commands look like. To view the calendar of December month in 2020, the command uses cal space 12 space 2020, and the calendar is being displayed. And then to remove a directory, we give the command rm space -r space dir1, and then you can see that the directory will be removed when you try opening it using cd space dir1. You can see that no such files or directory is being present here. Then we have then to display the last 3 the last 3 lines of a file, we use tail space -n space 3 space data1.txt. So you can see the last 3 lines are being printed here. And then to copy the history of whatever we have done for the whole of today, we use the command touch todayhistory.txt, and then history less than todayhistory.txt. Also, to view all the files and all that we have done, we use the command ls space -l, then \w space -l. So as you can see here, the set of programs or the set of files that are being present in the home directory are being displayed. So these are the basic Unix commands, and they are successfully executed. Thank you.